Remember to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the weekly updates on our channel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Visha, and in my today's video I'm going to tell you the main difference between the two tablets, that is Primolut tablet and Regestrone tablet. But in case if you have missed my other videos on period health, then you can click on the link above. So let's get started with today's video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss few points, that is what is the major difference between these two tablets, what is the cost of these tablets, how you can take these tablets, and some of your queries which you asked me in the comment section. I'm going to answer those also. So first of all, let me tell you that what is the major difference between these two tablets. So the Primolut N tablet and the Regestrone tablet, they are same with the different name. The main component in these two tablets is again the same, that is Norethisterone. But sometimes your doctor might suggest you Primolut tablet and sometimes doctor might suggest you the Regestrone tablet, but the components are almost same in both tablets. So the next point is that what is the use of these two tablets? So these two tablets are mostly taken by women or girls to delay their periods. Sometimes these two tablets are also recommended by your doctor to regulate your period. In case you are not getting your periods after every 30-day cycle or 28-day cycle, then sometimes your doctor also suggests these tablets. So if your doctor has suggested this tablet to you 7 or 10 or sometimes 15 to 30 days, then I advise all my viewers to go as per your doctor's advice, because most of my viewers, they ask me that you are saying in your video that we have to take this tablet for 7 days. That video is about that how you can delay your period while taking Primolut tablet or Regestrone tablet. So the dosage at that time would be for 7 days, but if your doctor has suggested you these tablets for regulating periods, then the dosage will vary. So you are always advised to follow your doctor's opinion or his prescription. In case you want to know more about how you can delay your period with Primolut tablet or what is the right dosage of taking the Primolut tablet, then you can click on the link above. So the next point that I'm going to discuss is that what is the price of these tablets. So these tablets are very affordable. You can buy these within 100 to 200 rupees. A pack of 10 to 20 tablets you can get within 100 or 200 rupees. The price might vary from city to city, state to state or country to country. And in case you want to know more about the Regestrone tablet, like what is the use or what is the right dosage of this tablet, then you can again click on the link above. So the next point I would like to discuss, most of you ask me that what are the side effects of these tablets. So if you are taking these tablets and you are feeling some headache, then this could be one of the side effects. You are feeling vomiting or nausea, then these are the very mild or very common side effects of these tablets. But if you are facing some serious issues, you are facing some different type of symptoms which are not usually there when you take some tablet, then I suggest you to consult with your doctor. So in the end, I would like to say that the tablet Primolut N and Regestrone both are not recommended for teenage girls. Most of my viewers are teenage girls and sometimes they ask me that they want to go for some outing or some night outs. So can they take these tablets? So I suggest you not to take this tablet until or unless you have consulted with your doctor or your doctor has prescribed with this medicine to you. Then you can take this tablet under the guidance of some elder or some doctor. Otherwise, teenage girls are not at all advised to take these medicines. Moreover, if you are planning to delay your periods while taking these tablets, then you have to take this tablet for nearly 6 to 7 days, because if you take this tablet for 6-7 days, then again you will face a delay of 7 to 10 days. So it means that you are going to delay your period for almost 20 days. So which is a generally long period. So I advise you not to take this tablet for more than 7 days if you are planning to delay your periods. So that's all about this video. I hope you have understood the difference between these two tablets, and in case you have some more queries or some more questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Till that time, please remember to subscribe to my channel and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.